Well, hello there guys. I am Christy and welcome to my kitchen. So what I thought I would do today is make you something delicious. If you're looking for something that is super quick and easy, I've got one for you. I am making a French onion beef casserole. Delicious, guys. So let's dive in and get started because it's that time to get cooking. All right, so what I have here is a bag of egg noodles. Now this is a 1 pound bag. I'm not going to use this entire bag. I'm going to use about half of this. So I'm adding my egg noodles to a sauce pot. I'm going to cook them until they're tender. All right, so then in a large skillet, I'm going to turn on the heat to medium heat, and I'm going to cook 1 pound of ground beef. And I'm going to season with a couple pinches of salt and black pepper. Well, in case you were wondering why am I only using a half of a bag of egg noodles, well, it's because the egg noodles will absorb all the liquid. And I want there to be a good ratio between egg noodle and the creamy French oniony meat mixture. All right, so once your meat is cooked completely, and Bella has decided to join us, she is smelling the cooking beef. It's got her attention. But now I'm going to add 2 cans of cream of mushroom soup. I can actually go ahead and turn off the fire underneath at this point. So then I'm going to add a 16-ounce container of French onion dip and 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. All right, give this a good mix. And now I'm going to add those noodles. All right, so I'm going to melt 3 tablespoons of butter in the microwave. All right, so I'm taking my egg noodle and beef mixture and I'm going to place it into a baking dish very carefully. Ooh, it's hot. You see all that's in the bottom of this pan? I'm not wasting it. I'm taking a rubber spatula and I am going to scrape out all this goodness. Because look how much is left. All right. Then I'm going to sprinkle on top some French fried onions, all on top. Oh yeah, really cannot get enough of these. And I'm saying probably about a cup or a cup and a half, however many you like. I like a lot. Then the last thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to pour over this butter all over top. We do not want this to dry out. I want it to be nice and creamy and saucy. And then bake in a 350-degree oven for about 20 minutes. Ta-da! Just look at this, guys. Oh, it looks and smells delicious. This beefy French onion casserole. Yeah, you guys, you got to come check it out. And of course, you could serve this alongside some vegetables, green beans, broccoli, a nice salad. Oh my. And this is so good and creamy. It's not dry. It's Perfect. All right, guys. Well, that's all there is to making this delicious casserole. Well, thank you all for watching. Have a wonderful day. God bless. And as always, I will see you soon with more delicious recipes.